ZBAO stock analysis and ZBAO stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. Looking at Zhibao technologies, they're just melting down, you know. Not saying this like in a bad way or anything, but it's just the truth, you know. This is exactly what the price is doing. It's just like reality, you know what I mean? Ultimately, as I'm just observing, there's no way that I'm gonna be buying. Still a very biased bearish market, meaning that only if there's a break above 150 or some crazy catalyst, then I'm looking to take it further up. I know it went up 12% today, but not enough for me. But I guess it is what it is, you know. Not every tickle is going to be a buy, and not everything is gonna, not every time it's gonna, you know, timing is crucial, and obviously fundamentals. Now do your own due diligence, and if you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. See you.